are in the Dominican Republic.
Yeah.
This is the country where half of my family is from. My mom is from the capital, Santo Domingo.
And the country that Christopher Columbus originally discovered.
I love how he put that as equal importance as where my roots are. But yes, this is true. Christopher Columbus never stepped foot in the United States of America. He went to the island of natively called Quisqueya, which is now La Española because of the Spanish. And where he went was the Dominican Republic.
So our first moments were pretty crazy because of the traffic, the culture shock, smells, sights. So thankfully we had family.
Oh my God, Abuela, where are you from?
Andrea's family, not mine. To take us around, to
My
show
family's
us.
your family.
That's true. That's sweet. Oh. The first place that I really remember that stuck with me was Zona Colonial, which was the old Spanish city that...
Translation, colonial zone.
This is where the Spanish came and developed and did their stuff.
And it's very apparent by the architecture and the buildings. There's a few ruins like an Alcazar, which is basically just a palace. And I don't know, it just looks kind of like Spain. Like just white buildings and
specifically the
European
south
architecture.
of Spain.
Yeah. So it's pretty cool. One night with my very lovely cousin. Shout out Manuel Andres. Anyways, but he took us to this little part of the colonial zone, just this big plaza, and he said that it's very typical to just have drinks out there. So
rum.
Yes.
Which is made from sugar.
Rum.
Made here in the Dominican Republic, which is probably the best liquor out there.
Rum to Dominican Republic is like vodka to Russia or tequila to Mexico. So
we were able to drink and relax and chill with Manuel in front of Plaza España, which was a huge plaza that you got it, España made, and still exists. We could also see the Alcazar in front of us, which was where Christopher Columbus lived.
No, Christopher Columbus didn't do anything there. I don't think he lived there. Oh my gosh. Fact check. We fact checked, and in fact, Christopher Columbus did not live in the Alcazar. However, his son Diego Colón did. It's called the Alcazar de Colón, which is the real name. It's not Christopher Columbus, it's Cristobal Colón.
Actually, in Italian, it'd probably be like Cristobal.
I think that could be slightly offensive. Also within something that's really curious about Santo Domingo is, apart from the fact that Christopher Columbus went there, this also means a lot of first was in the Dominican Republic. The first cathedral, the first university.
Of the Americas.
In the Americas, of all the Americas. You have the first of many things here in Santo Domingo, which a lot of people don't know, so it's pretty cool.
While being in the Zona Colonial, we were walking, just seeing the sights, and we stumbled upon Manuel's friends, which was a proud moment for me because it was young people, like-minded, smart kids that I was able to communicate in Spanish with. It was very cool because being in a new country, speaking with new people and a new dialect of Spanish was cool.
¿Hablas español?
Sí.
¿Cómo tú estás?
¿Cómo tú estás?
¿Qué lo que? Some Dominican language.
Pasa, loco.
Apart from seeing the colonial zone at nighttime and with its lively night scene, we also did get to go with my family during the day, which was really nice because it was Sunday and you could see that everybody was out with their families having a good time. It's very typical to go to the colmado, which is like the convenience store, get your big bottle
A jumbo.
of beer, jumbo, Jumbo. Jumbo. Like jumbo. Jumbo.
For translation, we're drinking Presidente beer in the colonial zone of Santo Domingo, Dominican Republic.
But it was cute because I got to see Tony play soccer with my little cousin, and that was pretty adorable to take part in the culture that way.
So good.
They even made a little friend. You remember that little guy?
Oh, very little friend. He was like about this big.
En la zona y con un perico ripiado en el fondo.
Probably the most notable thing of Santo Domingo is the traffic. So it is ranked the second deadliest place to drive in the world.
Like, what is going on? So you can either have fancy homes and malls, or you can have death on the streets by motorcycle.
Really?
Just like thousands of motorcycles. Like, it's frightening.
A lot.
We actually almost experienced some.
Death. Not us.
Not
but
us personally, because we were in
killing
cars,
someone.
but yeah, it's really crazy. And the time doesn't matter of the day. Like, it's traffic all the time. There's just simply no laws for the road. Everywhere, just beep beep, honk honk, trying to make their way through, and it's insane. And so you can imagine, with so much traffic, there's people that take advantage of this and make a living off of it.
Selling fish.
Boca Chica, little mouth. We actually picked up Andrea's mom from the airport and went straight there because we had to pass the airport. And arriving there was a little sketchy.
It's basically just a town of the Dominican Republic, so it's definitely a little different than the city. Yeah, and you just have a lot of people who know that this is time, like they know when people are coming from outside, and it's like, time to make money, pay me, I'm gonna park your car and watch it, and you're gonna tip me, and then I'm gonna take you to a table and you're gonna eat, you're gonna buy my fish, yeah, money. So it's basically what it was like, a little chaotic, but awesome. We sat right on the beach, like our table is right on the beach, and we ate some fresh fish and some other crazy stuff, fried bread stuff, and
Oh yeah.
oh, and an avocado that was like creamier than anything I've ever had in my
Best
life.
avocados.
Like, it was amazing. And we just sat there and we watched the sunset. A couple days we went outside of Santo Domingo, about 2 hours away, to this town called Palmar de Ocoa. And this is where a family friend's family has this huge house.
So, this house is so big, it could basically be a hostel. It had
Pool
a
table.
boat.
I don't know if you can hear me because of the boat. Right now we're in the Bay of Palmar de Ocoa. It's south of Santo Domingo, the capital of the Dominican Republic. It's pretty beautiful. As you can see, there's mountains.
So we took, on our second day there, we went out on the boat and we went to this, the beach itself here is already beautiful, It's different. It's not your stereotypical beach of the Caribbean, where the sand is a lot darker and it was like little pebbles, but the water was beautiful. As we got on the boat and we go to this other like beach that's even more isolated, just the water just changed colors. So blue. And we just hung out there for a while and literally just floated in the water with life vests and drank some
Dominican
rum and soda. Can't forget to mention the reason we even came to the Dominican Republic in the first place. Which is same family friend who took us to Palmar de Ocoa, the place with the boat.
His sister was getting married, so we were invited to go to this wedding.
Yes.
And this was super cool because we hadn't really experienced any weddings outside of our country or anything like that. And weddings are really cultural events, so.
And Dominicans can be very extravagant, depending on the Dominican, obviously. But these people are a little bit. So it was a beautiful wedding.
A lot of it.
Specifically the reception. Reception's when they do the dinner and stuff, right? I always get these wedding words confused. The reception was gorgeous.
Yeah, where they did the dinner.
Delicious buffet.
I ate so much.
And we danced a little bit of.
This is officially day 7 or 8 of diarrhea. Strict diet of applesauce and toast, specifically toast. Third world problems.
After a week, yes, of a horrid diarrhea and the flu. We both had both. Double impact. We're here!
We've made it to Las Terrenas.
Las Terrenas. After a terrible diarrhea.